Earlier today, we went hands-on with One UI 7.0 at the Samsung Developer Conference, SDC 2024. While Samsung didn't officially present One UI 7.0 during the event, we had the chance to explore the upcoming software. Our video captured the fresh animations, blur effects, and transitions in action. Our first look at One UI 7.0 comes from a Galaxy S24 Ultra USA variant at the SDC 2024 event. It was running Android 15 and firmware version S928USQU3BXI2. The new software brings a brand new 2-page quick panel design. You can access notifications when you swipe from the top left of the screen, while swiping down from the top right part shows quick settings toggles. In One UI 7.0, notifications take center stage with more prominent circular icons, and the background blur effect is significantly stronger compared to One UI 6.1.1. Quick settings toggles now include a dedicated volume and audio section with customizable placement. The multitasking UI task changer features a fresh animation, where app cards on either side of the main card are tilted slightly, creating a dynamic, stacked 3D effect. The app drawer has also been enhanced, now featuring a search bar at the bottom for easier access to apps and other content. The stock camera app has undergone a major redesign, consolidating all controls and modes at the bottom for a more streamlined experience. Additionally, the background blur in both the app drawer and multitasking menu is more pronounced, emphasizing the foreground content. Across One UI 7.0, users will notice smoother and more fluid animations and transitions. Samsung has updated the icons for several stock apps, including Camera, Contacts, Galaxy Store, Gallery, Phone, Samsung Internet, and Settings. AR emojis are being phased out, with Galaxy avatars taking their place. One UI 7.0 introduces noticeably smoother animations and transitions. Rumors from a few weeks ago about improved fluidity have been confirmed, as we observe more balance and flow in the animations. Transitions feel significantly smoother, especially when compared to One UI 6.1.1. Additionally, the background blur effect is stronger across various areas, including the app drawer, notifications pane, quick settings panel, and multitasking menu, task switcher. In One UI 7.0, the task switcher has been revamped with a slightly stacked design, offering a more dynamic look compared to the simpler layout in One UI 6.1. Additionally, there's now more spacing between an app's card and its icon in the new task switcher UI. Another notable change is the removal of the search button from the multitasking screen, which was present in One UI 6.1.1. Samsung also announced plans to release the beta version of One UI 7.0 for developers and likely consumers before the end of this year. The stable version is set to debut with the Galaxy S25 series, expected to launch in mid-January 2025. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos covering tech trends, gadgets,